Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.0% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World stocks marched back towards record highs as traders waited to see if Europe's top central banks, the ECB and Bank of England, would match the U.S. Federal Reserve's upbeat message and cut stimulus. The Bank of Russia is reportedly concerned that cryptocurrency investments might risk the country's financial stability. The dollar inched up, but trading was choppy as investors awaited monetary policy decisions from the UK and Eurozone, just a day after the U.S. Federal Reserve took its own hawkish turn.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's IFO business climate will be released at 0900 GMT. The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count at 1800 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 0700 GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0700 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.